Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to send SOS message on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to advanced features. Okay, tap this. In advanced features, you can see the send SOS message. You all have to do is tap the send SOS message. Here in SOS message, okay, the SOS message is off. And you'll have to do is turn on send SOS message by tap the switch button on the right side. The pop-up below are show. Okay, now you can add the recipient. Okay, you can create into contact or you can select from the contact. And okay guys, for my example, I select from the contact. And here in contact, so I have one contact. So for my example, I choose the contact to add as my recipient. And after you tap the contact, okay, tap the done button below to save the contact. And okay, that's it. And okay guys, we can add another one by tap the plus sign on the right side. And the pop-up below are show again. And this example, so I create into create contact. So tap this. And you can create the contact you want to add as a recipient. Okay. And okay guys, after you create the contact, the name and the number, okay, tap the save button to save this contact. And okay guys, that's it. I have two contact here. And okay, you can add again or you can delete. So for my example, so I delete this contact. So tap the delete icon. And you can select all by tap the all. Or you can select one by one by selecting the contact. For my example, I remove this Nana. So press and hold. Then tap the delete button below. And that's it for this contact. So okay, go back. And now here. So if this turn on, let people know you need help in an emergency by pressing the side key. Okay, you can press the side key 3 times or 4 times. So I set into 4 times. And okay, after you set the times of press for your side key, so here in auto call someone, so select someone to call after your SOS message are sent. And also you can attach the picture. So if this turn on, attach picture taken using the front and rear camera. So you can turn off this by switch off the switch button on the right side, or you can add attach picture by switching on the switch button on the right side. And also you can attach audio recording, attach 5 seconds audio recording if this turn on the switch button. And okay guys, you can remove this by switch off the switch button on the right side, or you can enable or turn on the attach audio recording by switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, below you can see the send message too. So this is my contact. So Chad. So okay, here the contact of my SOS message. And that's it for the send SOS message on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.